The morning is already here, but everything still feels unhurried, as if the world has not yet fully committed to its pace for the day. Light moves slowly across the room, touching surfaces gently, without sharpness, without urgency, as if it is exploring the space rather than taking it over. You do not need to rush into anything right now. There is nothing demanding your attention, only this soft beginning. This is Calm English, a space where you learn through awareness, through presence, and through the quiet experience of your own life expressed in simple English. And today, the focus is gratitude. Not as a forced emotion, but as a way of noticing what is already supporting you in this moment. You are not trying to create anything new. You are simply observing what is already here. You take a slow breath in, and as you breathe out, you allow yourself to arrive fully in this moment. I am here. I am awake. I am beginning my day. These simple sentences are not exercises. They are reflections of your reality right now. You might notice the feeling of your body resting where it is, the weight of your hands, the stillness in your shoulders, the quiet rhythm of your breathing. And for a moment, you simply acknowledge it. I am safe. I am calm. I am present. You look around your space again, this familiar environment that often goes unnoticed when life becomes busy. A chair that has supported you many times before. A table that holds your daily objects. A wall that has quietly been there through every version of your day. Even these simple things become part of your gratitude when you take a moment to really see them. I am grateful for my home. I am grateful for my space. I am grateful for stability. Perhaps there is a cup nearby, a glass of water, or coffee, or tea. Something simple that supports your morning without asking for attention. You notice its presence, the shape of it, the way it sits quietly beside you, as if it has always been part of this moment. I am grateful for simple things. I am grateful for comfort. I am grateful for small routines. Outside, the world continues to move. You can imagine it even if you cannot see it clearly. People walking, transport starting, distant sounds building into the background of a new day. But here, in your space, everything remains softer, more contained, more personal. And that contrast itself becomes something you notice with calm awareness. I appreciate this quiet moment before the world becomes loud. You take another breath, and this time, you notice how natural it feels, as if your body already knows how to slow down when you allow it to. Gratitude does not require effort. It simply appears when attention becomes gentle enough to see what is already working. I am grateful for my breath. I am grateful for this moment. I am grateful for being alive today. You might shift slightly, feeling the texture beneath you, noticing how the simple act of sitting or standing requires no thought, yet supports everything you are doing. Even your body becomes something you can be thankful for when you stop for a moment and observe it. I am grateful for my body. I am grateful for movement. I am grateful for energy returning slowly. The light in the room continues to change, becoming a little brighter, a little more present, gently reminding you that the day is unfolding whether you rush it or not. And you realize that nothing is missing from this moment. Nothing is incomplete. It is already enough as it is. I am grateful for today as it is. Not perfect, not finished, just here. You might take a small sip of your drink now, noticing its temperature, its simplicity, the quiet comfort it brings without asking anything in return. And as you do, you may notice something subtle. Your thoughts begin to form in English more naturally, describing what you experience instead of translating it. I notice my morning. I feel calm in my space. I observe small details around me. This is how language becomes part of life, not through pressure, but through presence. You do not need to study right now. You are simply living the language through your awareness. And that alone is progress. I am learning English naturally. I am expressing my thoughts simply. I am improving through daily moments. Gratitude continues quietly in the background of your attention, not as something you repeat, but as something you feel in small recognitions. The stability of your surroundings, the calmness of this moment, the opportunity to begin again today. And for a little longer, you simply stay here, in this soft morning space, where English, awareness, and gratitude move together gently.